In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Flyadeal ticket online. We'll walk through the exact steps to pull up your booking using your reference number and last name, so you can quickly review your flight details, see your itinerary, and manage options if they're available on your fare. Keep your booking confirmation handy, and let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Flyadeal website. You can type the address directly into the address bar or search for Flyadeal and select the official result. Give the page a moment to load. If you're prompted to choose a language or accept cookies, go ahead and do that so the site displays correctly. On mobile, you may need to open the main menu to see all options. Once you're on the home page, look for the Manage section. On desktop, it's typically in the top navigation. On mobile, it may appear inside the menu. Click or tap Manage to open the area where you can access existing bookings. You'll see a simple form with two fields. In the first field, enter your booking reference. This is sometimes called a PNR or confirmation code, and it's usually a short combination of letters and numbers. You can find it in your confirmation message from the airline or the agency you booked through. Type it exactly as is shown without spaces. If you're unsure about a character, remember that the number 0 and the letter O can look similar. The same goes for the number 1 and the letter I. Double check before moving on. In the second field, enter the last name exactly as it appears on your booking. Pay attention to spelling, hyphens, and special characters. While capitalization typically doesn't matter, extra spaces can cause mismatches, so make sure there aren't any before or after your name. If more than one traveler is on the booking, use the last name of the primary passenger listed on the confirmation. After you've confirmed both entries are correct, select the button labeled Manage My Booking. The site will process your details and take you to your booking overview. Here you can view your flight dates and times, routes, and your ticket status. Depending on your fare and timing, you may also see options to review seats, baggage, or other add-ons, but today we're just focusing on accessing the booking. If your booking doesn't appear, recheck the reference and last name for typos, refresh the page, and try again. Make sure you're using the same details provided at the time of purchase. That's it. You've now learned how to check your Flyadeal ticket online quickly and confidently.